Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create some basic shapes. We're going to do loft first. I'll click part design. And now I'm going to go to SketchUp. And we're going to click that. We're going to change it to 10 millimeters. And draw a very basic circle. Okay, then close it. Then next, we're going to go to part design. And we're going to go, oh no, not part, I clicked on. Okay, we're going to close part design. I'm going to click sketch. I'm going to use a centered rectangle. And then we're going to get into the center, align it perfectly up. And there. Okay. Now I'm going to loft this. So yeah, we're going to change this object to the circle. And then we're going to make that. Yeah, you've got a simple loft object. And it works, so you can just view it from around the area. Okay, I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that and the sketch outside. Okay, next we're going to go back into sketch. I'm going to change our view and we're going to go back into sketch and make a small rectangle. And next we're going to go there. This keeps happening to me. I don't know why, but okay. And now we're just gonna make a extremely simple. It's like a path. It's kind of like a path to what you're doing. So I'm gonna use a Bezier curve or curve. There. Click escape, and there we've got a simple curve. Next, we're gonna click sweep. When I use our first sketch, click OK. Click that. We need to there. Now, as you can see, it sweeps along the axis, which is kind of neat if you're trying to do like very intricate shapes. Okay, let's delete those. And okay, I'm going to show you again. Delete that and delete those two. Okay, we're not going to delete those two. Okay, next, what we're going to do is we're going to do a chamfer. So we're going to extrude it out, or we're going to make a simple square and extrude it out. So we'll make it like 20 or 30. Yeah, just make it 30. Okay. Click OK. Now we're going to get the top and click chamfer. Now this one has sharp edges. And it's a bit sharp. It's not a bevel because it's angled like that. Okay, we're going to click cancel. I'm going to go back. I'm going to click bevel. Now, let's increase the bevel. And as you can see, the bevel is a rounder, like more round and less hazardous way of doing it. So that's mostly. Now we're gonna do draft. So that's this one. And what this does is kind of like taper angle, but it does it in one area. And look, it's facing this way, as you can see. Okay, and then after that we're gonna do pocket. So that's pretty simple. That's basically what's going on. Then we'll make we can make it go thickness inwards. We can make thickness inwards, which I'm going to do in a second. There. And as you can see. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, and share. And please support me by hitting that subscribe button. I work hard on these videos. Bye.